How to set saving goals in Credit Karma Save. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the Credit Karma Save section. Here you can manage your savings account and track your progress. Look for the Saving Goals feature and click on it. You will be prompted to create a new goal by entering a name for your goal, the target amount you want to save, and your desired completion date. After entering the details, save your goal. Credit Karma Save will help you track your progress toward this goal by showing your current balance and how much more you need to save. You can set multiple saving goals for different purposes like emergencies, vacations, or big purchases. Setting clear saving goals help you stay motivated and focused on your financial targets. Now you know how to set saving goals in Credit Karma Save. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.